Yo, what's up, may Nirvana? MB na naman nga pala to. Ang reviewer na walang tira, men. Kilala nyo na walang iba. Kundi ako lang yun. At kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, men, baka naman pwede mong i-click yung subscribe button dyan sa Gedli para at least men updated ka sa mga ilalabas nating mga reaction video. Katulad nito, men, iispata natin to. So, Bazinga ang title nito. Let's get it! Okay.
The load gets heavy. Throw it away. The world alone has daily.
Wait lang. Samahan natin ng makunat na pangsahampa sa haters. Subtitle natin. Balik natin.
To break the curve every day. I think
Isa pa.
every day. I think the load gets heavy.
Okay.
Throw it away. The world alone has daily. Get away. To break the curse and stop this now.
I'm going home, then I'll cry alone. Don't you worry, soon I'll be gone.
Say Bazinga.
Okay.
너의 gasolina.
Bazinga, your hates like gasolina. Okay, I'm fire, alenga. Men, mga umi-slant rhyme.
Yeah, I'm filing God. Yeah, you two turn up the heat and I'll burn.
Dare you to turn up the heat and I'll burn y'all till I die. Yeah.
Y'all till I die. Yeah. Bruce, be proud of what's up.
Bruce, be proud in what I'm water moves. They staga water.
Moves, they saga hot top. Buzz, killer, I'm killing your buzz. So get the hell out.
Down! Who's the boss now? I just turned the world upside down. No, y'all
Okay.
can't quit thinking cause you won't know how. I did it bounce and kick it roundhouse. Yeah, yeah, don't you see? This is my legacy. Now, how you gonna get to me? When I get to all
Ito na talaga, men, napansin ko rin na possible marami ditong mga 18 men na dito nagsimula or dito mas na-hook. So ito nga, men, yung parang yung difference din dun sa unang album nila. Ito, men, parang hindi mo na mapapaghalata na na ito is pipa pa rin. So hindi na siya yung sobrang traditional to the point na parang sabi nga nung mga criticism dati na parang copycat sila ng K-pop. Ngayon dito, men, makikita natin na ito na yung style talaga nila. Maangas na siya, men. Parang ganun. Makikita mong separated na sila from K-pop. Kumbaga, sa forma pa lang, men, ito si Josh, naka Daniel Padilla jacket. Naka leather ba yan? Men, wala naman nagaganon na K-pop eh. Doon mga K-pop, mga iba yung forma nila. Mga naka skinny jeans, mga ganon, mga plain lang.
mighty we've made the baby day, Bobby day.
Every day, I think the load gets heavy. Throw it away. The world alone has daily. Stairway to break the curse and stop this.
Let's go.
Go flow stone in my breakable, but be right with me cause I won't condone.
Bazinga, hey, 너의 gasolina. Yeah, I'm filing God. Yeah, you two turn up the heat and I'll burn out till I die. Yeah.
Bruce, be proud of what I moves.
Okay.
They saga what I buzz. Killer, I'm killing your buzz, so get the hell out.
Look at you, look at you. Look at you, look at you. Look at you, pick a bow, bow. I'ma beat you even if it didn't arco.
Kita mo naman, min. Ibang-iba to dun sa budots kanina, min. No? Yun, magandang gabi po kay Caps Raymar. Men, iba na ito mga Caps, ito. Yun, good evening din, Caps, Elena. So mga Caps, ito bang Pagsibol na album nila, dito na ba sila nagsarili ng label? Or under label pa rin sila ng Showbiz pero meron na silang creative, parang parang hindi siya ganun kahawak ng creative ng Showbiz. Kumbaga, pwede na silang ano talaga ng style nila or iba pang mga style na magsi-separate from P-pop to K-pop, parang ganun. Comment nyo nga dyan mga kaps kung ito ba yung simula ng sariling ano nila, galaw kumbaga. Hindi na sila kontrolado, parang ganun.
1-2 punch, you're lucky cause they overdid it, had to say that too. Not a mob, just a psycho, I'ma
Okay.
keep it low. Cause you know that I am the one that they
Guess you know I'm the one, I dare you to double O. Showbiz pa rin. Pero si Pablo na nagpo-produce ng music, yun men. So, ito pala yung parang, unang step ng, yung nila, kumbaga, tama nga men. Tama, pagsibol. Kumbaga men, pagsibol ng ibang style na, ibang meta na, parang ganon. Good Eve Caps, yun, under labor pa rin sila, Showbiz. Yes, hawak pa rin sila, binigyan ng creative freedom. Yun tama, yun pala yung tamang term na hindi ko mabunot kanina. Yung creative freedom, tama. Salamat Caps, Ange B. So, yun pala, yung may creative freedom na sila na mag-style na ganito. Kasi men, sobrang night and day na to men compared dun sa unang album at saka ito men dito sa unang natin, Bazinga men, talagang boom. Yun, pagtatag EP pala ang simula ng nila, ng pag-alis dun talaga sa label. Pero props pa rin men, dun talaga naman talaga sila nagsimula. So hindi naman sila mahuhubog men kung hindi nangyari yon. Pero still men, maganda yung move na ginawa na naibigay din sila, sobrang props din yon sa sa Showbiz kasi men, iba yung bigyan mo ng creative freedom yung mga talents mo. Kasi parang maiisip ng talents mo men na paano kung hindi mag-work yan? Paano kung hindi talaga yan yung meta? Parang ganun men. Kaya mautak men. Mautak tong genius tong 5 to men para sa akin.
get the double out. Let me get the strings, just got a few more words to say. Defibrillator, do your answer, I want to say. Clear.
Men, ang bilis nun, parang double time. Wait. Not a mob, just a psycho, I'ma keep it low.
How I'ma keep it low, cause you know that I am the
Guess you with the double O. Double O.
one that they get the double out. Let me get the strings, just got a few more words to say. Defibrillator, do your answer, I want to say. Clear.
Ito na.
Wasagin na sa tenga pag nagbalo. Huwag mag-alala, lahat tanda bukas. Lahat ng mga pambihirang natamasa.
Last time I thought I already told you that I'm always ready.
Okay.
Come on and test me, you know nothing's gonna stop me. Bring it all out now. All first calls, you know not folks, so I'll break the dawn in my home. Wazinga, hey, your gasolina, yeah, I'm filing God, yeah. You two turn up the heat and I'll burn you till I die. Be proud of what's up. Please I get what's up. Buzz killer, I'm killing your buzz, so get the hell out. Look at you, look at you. Look at you, look at you. Look at you, look at you. Look at you, look at you.
Yes, sir. Men, maangas to. Maangas na to. Ito yung talagang pagsibol talaga men ng nila. Maganda yung maganda yung nangyari men na nagkaroon sila ng creative freedom. Separated from the label.